MUCEMANIO uyu ukurehete hamwe makiria ya arugamiriri magana matandatu a thukuru cia andu kiumbe cia marihi manini kana iria ciuikaine ta APBET kuma Kaunti ya Nairobi kwaririria mitaratara ya wandikithia wa thukuru ici hamwe na mawatho maria mabatie kurumirirwo kuringana na Ministry ya Githomo. Hamwe na mawatho maria thukuru ici ibatie kurumirira ni kweruhia marua mao ma wira kuri thirikari ya kaunti o mwaka o thukuru ikigata marua kuringana na wingi wa arutwo.
When you have learners from 0 to 100, you are supposed to pay 8,200. That's the minimum. Then if you have learners from 100 to 200, you pay 10,200. Then now we call what we call a large APBET, complementary school, APBET school, you pay 15,200.
APBET plays a very vital role in ensuring that that child in the urban slum in Kenya, whether it's Nairobi, whether it's in Mombasa or Nakuru, accesses an education.
Governor wa Nairobi Johnson SAKAJA ni gatagati ka atongoria aria mauma MUCEMANIO-ini uyu kuria eranirie ati thirikari ya kaunti ni kuguithia marihi ma kweruhia marua ma wira nginyagia ciringi ngiri ithatu o mwaka.
First term 1,000. Second term 1,000. Third term unamaliza mwaka. Na hakuna mtu wasumbue. We have digitized all our services *647#. So hii mashule kubwa wazifikiri watajificha kwa hii.
Ihinda-ini riu akiranira ati ica ikuhi arutwo othe kuma thukuru ici ni megukorwo magikuruhanio tabarira-ini ya kuheana irio mathukuru-ini thutha wa ikereka ria mbere riria rirambiriria mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka uyu kuri arutwo 250 thiini wa thukuru ciothe cia kaunti ya Nairobi.
We are spending 1.3 billion per year for the actual meals, and each parent is going to pay 5 shillings only. The current national government program, a meal is 60 shillings, 60 to 100, the current program that has been there.
Thengia ya gukorwo makienda gukuruhanio mubango-ini wa thirikari thiini wa ugai wa kigena kia mahuthiro ma arutwo, arugamiriri a thukuru ici maugite gukuranwo ni thirikari ni guguteithiriria kugacirithia githomo na njira itiganite.
Due to lack of recognition, these schools could not be registered. And so members have been trying to have them registered, all in vain. That is one. And the other thing was the government having not recognized these schools. It was mentioned earlier that the schools are not given the capitation.
SAKAJA ni eranire kunyita mbaru riendekithia ria mubunge wa Mathare Tom Oluoch hamwe na gikundi kingi kia ambunge aria meranire gutwara riendekithia ria watho thiini wa bunge makienda thirikari gukurana thukuru ici gicunjĩ-ini kia watho wa githomo kia muthingi.
The budget of 1.168 billion put this year, including what is there for capitation, school infrastructure, anything else that is planned, they don't feature anywhere. They don't get recognized anywhere.
I'm breaking 10 of them at a go. Na hiyo Tuesday nitakuwa na rais. Na nikiwa naye Kayole nitakuwa na hymn book ya kuimba. Wimbo unaitwa APBET. APBET. APBET.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.